Hey there, today we will explain how can you sell Notion templates. So let's dive into this method. Selling Motion templates in online is not hard, you just need a well-designed template and platforms on which you can sell your templates on Facebook or on Instagram. But before selling the Notion templates, you need to create a high-profile template. As you can see, I am on the homepage of Notion site, and if you take a look on the left side, you can see my templates which I created. It's called Study Book, click on it. And here you can see the whole template which I created. Let me correct it. Okay, now it's correct. If I scroll down, you can see the class schedule for Monday, Tuesday to Friday, and this OneNote. You can write notes. This one is to-do list. You can add the task and much more. This one is a calendar assignment and for exam. Once you think your template is ready, I will tell you how you can share it with your client. If you take a look on the right top, you can see the icon share, click on it. And here you have to enter the email address of the person to which you want to send this. If I click on the option publish, you can publish it, but we want to share it. So therefore, I will click on it. And here you need to enter the email address, just like I will enter. After writing the email address, click on this option and manage to access like you can get full access, edit, or comment. I want to give full access. After it, I'll click on the option invite. Now that person need to accept the invitation, and once he will accept the invitation, he will get access of this template. So it was the way by which you can share it. Now, how can you search the platforms on which you can sell Notion templates? For this, I get the help of AI, so let me open my browser. Here you can see I write, how can I sell Notion templates for this? And it shows multiple websites. Let me scroll down, and you will see the websites on which I can sell. The first one is Gumroad. This one is Selfie, Lemon Squeezy, Payhip, and Kajabi. These are the marketplace on which I can sell the Notion templates, included their taxes. And if I scroll down more, you will see more on which I can sell templates. But the competition is a bit high on these. Now let me show you, how can you sell template on Gumroad? In the new tab, I will search for Gumroad. Now click on it. And here the first thing is, you have to create your account by clicking on the option login. Once you will click on the option login. Then log in with your account. Or if you don't have, then click on the can sign up and create your account. Once you will create your account, you can write a post about your template, and once the client will see your template and the want to purchase, they will send you a direct message. And by this way, you can sell template. The same goes for the other platforms. You have to create your account on all platforms, and you need to show your template to the client. And when someone will be interested, he will contact with you and will buy your templates.